Hello everyone, today I'm going to be doing a tutorial video, which is a demonstration you're going to see. So today I'm going to be showing you how to remove these long back couplings of your motorized reboot trains and replace them with shorter ones, as you can see here. So first off, get a motorized reboot engine, which is this Crystal Case Thomas right here. Unscrew him. And now you're gonna need a screwdriver, which is I got my screwdriver kit, and you're gonna need this type of screwdriver to unscrew these 3 screws. Otherwise you'll just end up being screwy. So some of these screws won't come out until the body comes apart. Sometimes others will. Then carefully remove the drive unit. Then you get the inside. Take away this long coupling and get a shorter one. And as you can see, it fits perfectly. No argument there. Now time to reassemble. You just gotta screw these back in. Sometimes it can be a bit difficult. And finally, and there we go, all screwed back in. Now get the shell and screw it back in. And voila! Your motorized reboot engine now has a shorter coupling. Shorter and accurate, to be precise. Now, I think I know. See? This is completely accurate. You can find other uses for these long couplings, such as I know. You can use these for your Tomy/Hit Toys tender-driven engines, like Emily, Murdoch, Molly, Hank, and I believe this also works with either Mighty Mac, and I believe this also works with Mighty Mac, Harvey, and the player Steven as well. Yeah, these these long couplings aren't really that necessary for these toys, but they are necessary for everything else. But yeah, and now I showed you how how to replace the long back couplings with the shorter ones. And as you can see, it's a perfect fit. Absolutely perfect. Anyways, I hope that's gonna do it for this video. I I hope you remember all of this in your noggin. Well, keeping it stored in your noggin. And in case you have any trouble, just watch this video. You can thank me for it.